everybody, welcome to episode 2 of the E36 build. Today was a cool little adventure. Me and Tyler went out to Marine City and went to our buddy's basically BMW graveyard, and I got some pretty cool things. So I got a good open 391 that we're gonna weld, and ass in a drive shaft. I got a new cluster, cool thing, a cool little trim piece too for above the glove box. Right now I am going to move all of this shit somewhere else so that we can throw, go out here, that guy in here. Garage is clean. There's Tyler. Hey, goofy. Hey, goofy. And the reveal. E30. Very close second best car. I want to talk about what we did yesterday with this thing. So, I took apart the entire rear subframe. Got it all apart except for the driver's side axle. That's kind of stuck in there. But I got the diff out, found out it was an LSD. So now I have 2 small case LSDs and a 391 open medium, which is super cool. I'm super excited about that. And touch base on the E32. This thing is a 86 E30. Very good. And our plan with this thing is to completely destroy it pretty much. We're going to swap it out. And we're not sure if we want to put an M50 in it or if we want to put an LS in it. Very good car. Very clean. Let's see if I can reach over here. Clear coat's a little crusty, but nothing that we can't work with. So while I was cleaning these up, taking the tabs off and getting it all flat and whatnot, Tyler did a very cool thing.
Remove the rat's nest.
So now this is really all that's left of the wiring harness for the front. He got the floors out, both sides. Got him. So I got the front subframe apart, control arms, knuckles, coils, shitty coils. Still trying to get that bitch out. It's being a pain in the ass. I'm really out of breath right now. Power steering rack, frame, and Tyler started knocking these things out so that way we can clean it up, get it looking good, and then tomorrow we're gonna be getting underneath there. So we got all of the seam sealer out of the engine bay and started stitch welding it. We got the reinforcement plates for the front strut towers, and this one's just tacked in right now. But we got it all out, found some more holes, cut them out. All right, well, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Got a lot done, which I'm very happy about. Did get the floor drains out and cleaned them up, cleaned up around the area, got all of the residual sound deadening stuff out. It's coming along really good. I'm really happy about it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.